So well, today's question is if a four-digit number is input through the keyboard, write a program to obtain the sum of the first and the last digit of that number. Okay, we have to input the four-digit number from user through keyboard, and we have to write a program to calculate the sum of first digit and the last digit of the number. So well, here there is a logic. Let me give you a logic first. To get the first digit number, we need to divide that number with 1000. Yes, so that we get the first digit of that number. Okay, to get the last digit of number, we need to take remainder of that number by dividing with 10. Alright, let's get started. First we start our program from as include. Okay. We need to take a variable a where we put that four-digit number from user. That's number. Okay. Scanner. Percentage for and we put the value in a variable. Alright. Now we need more variable for last digit and the first digit, so that we need to create last digit for the first digit F and the last digit L and sum of first digit and last digit S. Alright, let's get started here. For first digit we have to just divide with 1000 because it's a four-digit number, so that we get a floating number of something point something something, so that the floating number where the decimal number will be printed and floated number will be not printed here. Alright, for last digit we have to take a modulus with 10 and sum last digit plus first digit. Yeah, very simple, and print this. So yeah, sum of last digit and first is percentage last digit, first digit, sum. Alright, now just run this program. Let's see the output. Alright, Control J for terminal, Control Alt N to run this program. Let's see what is the output. Yeah. Enter 4-digit number. Let me 1, 2, 5, 4. Sum of last digit 4 and the first digit 1 is 5. Yes, right. Run it again. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0. Yes. Now I will give you a negative number. Alright. Negative 4, 5, all 5. Alright. Let's see the output. -10. Yeah, it's working. Again, let my output is 0, 0, 1, 1. First last digit 1 and the first digit is 0 and its output is 1. Alright. Hope you understand this code and take a screenshot. You will, if you get any doubt, I'm ready to clear your doubt. Just put your doubt in description, comment box. You will definitely get reply from my side. Thanks for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.